I'm Captain Chris Horn. I'm in charge of all the fleet and the facilities here for the fire district. Things do happen fast around here. We have 4 stations, 37 pieces of apparatus, 100 employees. Team needs to be ready, our trucks need to be ready where we can serve the community. When I took over this position, it was a paper trail nightmare. And I said, there's gotta be something easier to do this. Fleetio has done away from our paper trail. We have it on all of our iPads in the vehicle. Majority of the employees here have it on their phones. The inspection process is very important to us. And Rusty and I can also see if they're sitting in one spot or if they actually walking around the truck and making sure they're not standing in one place, just checking a box. If it's something that needs to go to an outsourced shop, then we can get that done immediately. Our folks, they know that they're not just checking a box, it's gonna get repaired and it's gonna get done on a timely manner.
My name is Rusty Pearsall. I'm a certified emergency vehicle technician, and I perform all the preventive maintenance and most of the general repairs on our fleet. We have vehicles that are very spread out. With Fleetio, I can go in and I can see what's happening at all of our locations without having to leave my office. The information stream is instantaneous. One thing I've learned over the years of dealing with the fleet is be able to keep certain parts on hand. Being able to keep track of the mileage and the hours and everything that we use in Fleetio, I'm able to anticipate better when I'm going to need to put brakes on a truck or when I'm going to need to put tires on a truck, and be able to keep those parts in-house so that once the truck comes down for maintenance, we can get it in here, get it all done, and get it back out on the road. It really does take a lot of the stress out of trying to schedule maintenance, because it keeps up with everything for you, which also helps reduce the downtime of these vehicles.
Also, it helps us when we get ready to sell or get rid of one of our apparatus. We have those records there for us. All we got to do is push a button, and whoever's going to purchase that, they can take the file to show them what was done on that vehicle, what was out of service, and what was done on a timely manner.
It gives us a platform to be able to go to our fire board and to our fire chief and say, look, this is our cost issues that are going on with these trucks. It's probably time that we need to go ahead and look at replacing these. The biggest hurdle you could say with starting anything is getting everybody on board. This is the technology that people were really able to adapt to quickly. I can pull this up on my phone and I can walk around the truck and do this right here, right now. This way I know when I report something, I know that it's going to the person that it needs to go to. If our vehicles are running well, our team members can go home safe.
We need something fireman-proof, and Fleetio does that for us.